Hi, in this video, we're going to go ahead and take a tour of our elementary statistics online class, just the Canvas portion of the course. Our course is housed both in the YC Canvas shell and also in my math lab. So to sign into our class, once you get access and sign into your account on the YC webpage, find the Canvas LMS tab up here. You can also get that from My Services, and you could also click on My Courses, find our statistics course, and enter the Canvas homepage there. So once you access our course, the homepage just gives you some general information about your instructor, office hours, and then you can click on the modules or click on the different units to access those modules, or you can access the modules through the menu on the left. So the first thing we want to do on your getting started, there's a welcome. That's where this video is housed. There's a welcome and introduction, this video, and a tour of my math lab. This is from fall 2015, but the information is much the same. The next page is a checklist of items to help you get ready. Very important first item is the confirm your attendance assignment, where you read the course syllabus and then complete the quiz, confirm your attendance. It's just a one-question quiz, and the one answer is yes. It'll walk you through my Math Lab Plus Access. The technology that we'll be using is StatCrunch, TI 83 or 84 series graphing calculator. You'll need Adobe Acrobat to read files that I post in the class, and then your YC email. All communication will be sent through the Canvas inbox or MyLabs Plus, and they're both hooked to your Yavapai email account. So please check on those. The next page on getting started is to click on the syllabus and read it. This is the same syllabus that I sent earlier in the week welcoming you to the class, sent an email. After you've read that, complete the quiz, confirm your attendance. On or before January 20th, very important. This is confirming that you're attending the first day of our online class. So when you see the quiz, you'll take your quiz. It's a one choice, multiple choice test. I've read and understand the information in the syllabus. Yes, and then click on submit. And that is pretty quick and easy to confirm your attendance the first day. All right, then next, there's information on how to enter MyLabs Plus with your access code. Then as you go through here, this is also lets you know how to register in the class. So if you have your access code, you can type it in right away, but this goes through options of a pay later that gives you 2-week access code, how to type it in if you have it now, and how to buy now if you haven't bought your access code yet, but you're ready to purchase now, but it does need a credit card. So that will take you through the steps on how to get into My Labs. Next item on getting started are hints and tips for success. And I hope you revisit these when you need to. The first ones are just the getting set up, resources, homework, quizzes, etc. So learning online could be really challenging. We do need a TI 83 series calculator, either 83 or 84. The 89s and 92s have the statistics package in them, but it's very different from the 83s and 84s. So if you don't have one, this will take you to directions on how to download a free one on that will show up on your computer. Now I'm not sure if it will show up on a tablet, but I don't see why not. So this is what I use when I make my technology videos. I use this emulator on my computer screen. There's also a link to the statistics tutorial from Pearson that will help you with basically instructions on everything that we'll do in the course. The next item in getting started is a link to the Adobe Acrobat website if you don't have that already, so that you can read documents. All right, then in the modules, the next item, this automatically just runs through the pages. Our first module is descriptive statistics, weeks 1 through 3. So the way this is set up, the overview and assignment is the first page, and then details for each week after that. So the overview and assignments for Unit 1 are posted. There's a very general calendar that just lets you know what's happening for the next 3 weeks. This printable checklist, I would recommend that you print so you can keep track of your progress. It has the due dates and points possible for each of our assignments. Now, one thing I do want to point out right here, that the first homework, Chapter 1, is due Sunday, January 24th. That's the suggested due date to help you keep on track. It actually, you can still access it after the due date. It may say past due, but you can click on it and still continue to work. It times out on February 3rd. And the reason for that is so that you can go back and keep reviewing your homework or keep working on it or get help on your homework before you take your first quiz, which is chapters 1 through 3. So when you take your first quiz on Wednesday, February 3rd, all of that homework will time out. Everything times out at the same time. So after that happens, there is no opportunity to go back and retake those. You get a grade of 0 is assigned. Okay, so I just want to make sure that you knew that. Written assignment, the first one, Chapter 3 is Technology Lab and Application Problems. And then probability starts that same week. The due date's the 7th, but it times out the 24th. So if you need all week to complete the written assignment, please take all week. These are posted in Canvas, and these can be turned in late, but they're docked at 10% per day late and not accepted after 5 days. So we only have 3 written assignments, and they're worth quite a bit. So please make sure not to be late on those or not to miss those. All right, so that's the checklist. Then each page after that in the module has a contains each week in that detailed checklist. So here's the January first week, 19th through the 24th. To confirm attendance, access the course in My Labs. Here's a link to your attendance quiz. There's a discussion board assignment to please introduce yourself. These aren't graded, but these are an opportunity for us to communicate in the class. So introductions, there's a that will take you to the discussion board. So a very quick and easy discussion board assignment, your name, something about yourself, educational goal, and one item from the syllabus you found to be important. So I've already put mine in there. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the module. So after the discussion board assignment, that was week 1. So all items are listed, and then there are videos from Against All Odds that are great conceptual videos. I have notes. The notes follow the My Math Lab videos. You can also access these videos in My Math Lab. They're just linked here as well for your convenience. So take a look through. All of your resources to learn the materials are posted in each of the weekly pages in our module. Okay? So the first 3 weeks, we will be completing the first 3 chapters. It's pretty quick, but most of this should be review, although there is a lot of vocabulary. Our first quiz is in My Math Lab, due February 3rd. And then the 3rd week, the first written assignment is here. Okay, next, let's see, tour of our class. So that's the modules. If you want to get directly to the assignment, you can click on Assignments, and it will list them. You notice these aren't published yet because we're just a little bit before the first week. Discussion board is here. And then grades. What this will do is, as you turn in written assignments, you can look at your feedback here, but I will be putting the grades into the My Math Lab portion of the course, so that's how you check your grade, is in My Math Lab. All right, so that's a very quick tour of the course in Canvas. To send an email, which is the last thing, there's an inbox up here. So when you click on that inbox, if I want to send an email, you choose the course. or choose write an email. There we go. And then select your course. You can say who it's to. You can send it to everyone, the teachers. Usually they'll have students, etc. But you can send me an email through here with the subject, and it will be housed in Canvas, but it will also go to my inbox on my Yavapai College account. So when I send emails through here, they'll be housed in here and also to your Scholar email account in Yavapai. All right, so if you have any questions as you get started, please let me know. And by the way, if you click on a module here, it'll take you to the first page of that module. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a little hint on how things are organized. All right, good luck on your first week, and please ask questions when you need to.